Hello and welcome to Blanit Public School YouTube channel. My dear class 7 student, today in this lesson I will teach you subject verb agreement. So open your book to page number 20. Let's start. Agreement of subject and verb. The verb changes according to the subject. Let's quickly revise the various rules of subject verb agreement. So you see, we use a plural verb when the subject of a sentence has two or more nouns or pronouns connected by and. For example, Jay and Julie are at my house. Here Jay and Julie are two nouns. Okay, so and the two nouns are connected with and. What was the rule? The rule is we use a plural verb when the subject of a sentence has two or more nouns. Here there are two nouns, Jay and Julie. The two nouns connected with and. So here we have to use the plural verb, that is are. Jay and Julie are at my house. Okay, so in case of, let's take an example. So here in the sentence 1, slow and steady wins the race. Here slow and steady, two nouns, and it is connected with and. So here according to the rule we have to put plural verb, but here singular verb is used. So there is another rule that when two nouns closely related to each other are joined by and, in that case we consider the two nouns as a single unit, and in that case we use a singular verb. In the second sentence also, bread and butter is my favorite breakfast. Okay, bread and butter are two nouns connected with and. Here is also you have to use the plural verb, but bread and butter consider as a single unit. So here we use a singular verb, that is each. Okay, so if two subjects together express one idea, one being added to the other for the sake of emphasis or clarification, the verb is singular. No plurality is left to exist in such a case. Now come to the second rule. We use a singular verb when two or more singular nouns or pronouns are connected by or nor. We use a singular verb when two or more singular nouns or pronouns are connected by or nor. For example, my mother or my father is coming to the school today. Here my mother and my father is noun connected with or. So here in this case we have to use a singular nouns, that is my mother or my father is coming to the school today. Okay, now we use a singular verb with the words each one, either, neither, everyone, everybody, anybody, anyone, nobody, somebody, someone, and no one. We use a singular verb with the words. Okay, for example, each of these umbrella is torn. Okay, here each, so the verb must be in singular. So each of these umbrella is torn. Okay, so let's take an example or another example. Every man and woman was filled with joy. Now we use a plural verb with nouns such as scissors, tweezers, trousers, and shears. There are two parts to these things. So you see here, these nouns are made up of two similar parts in a pair, like scissors, spectacles, glasses, etc. Okay. So these words are treated as plural subject. So the scissors are new. These scissors are very sharp. My trousers have been cleaned. Okay. Now we use a singular verb with collective nouns. Collective means group. Collective nouns refer to groups of people or things. Okay. A singular group noun may take either a singular or a plural verb. If we consider the group noun to be a single unit, we prefer a singular verb. If we consider it as a collection of separate individuals, we use the plural verb. Let's take an example. The herd of cow is grazing on the field. Another example. Our family is not poor anymore. Our family are not early risers. Here our family are, and in the previous example our family isn't. In that case our family isn't poor anymore. It considered as a single unit. In the case of our family are not early risers, in this case individuals in the family. So you have to use plural here. Now when two subjects are joined by as well as, with, along with, the verb agrees with the first subject. For example, the woman as well as her sons was present at the party. Look, WOMAN, woman, it is singular and its plural form is WOMEN, women. Okay, be careful. The woman as well as her sons was present at the party. Here what is the rule? When two subjects are joined by as well as, with, along with, the verb agrees with the first subject. Here in this sentence, the woman as well as her sons was present at the party. There are two subjects, that is the woman and her sons. So the first subject is the woman. The woman is a singular verb. So according to the rule, the verbs agrees with the first subject. So the woman is a singular verb, singular subject. So the verb must be in singular form. Okay. Let's take another example. The women as well as the president were present at the party. Look, the women, WOMEN, it is plural. Okay, so in the case of plural, the plural subject is the first subject, that is plural, the women, as well as the president where is the plural form. Okay, so the woman as well as the president were present at the party. Now if a plural noun is a proper name, then it takes a singular verb. For example, Gulliver's Travel is an interesting interesting book. Okay, Gulliver's Travel is an interesting book. Here, a plural noun is a proper name. So, in this case, a singular verb is used. So, students, from the next video, we will discuss the exercise that is from page number 21 of your book. Okay. If you have any questions, just have to let me know in the comment section and I'll talk to you there. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.